Chinese scientists have come up with a new fabric of the future. Thanks to this innovative technology, a piece of clothing turns into a digital screen where text and images can be displayed. The fabric incorporates special electroluminescent fibers. When an electric current passes through them, they light up at specific points similar to a regular screen. This fabric doesn't compromise comfort. It's lightweight, breathable, and can conform to the body's contours. You can wash, fold, and stretch it without damaging the display. The development team suggests that their invention will be beneficial for individuals who can conveniently use a smartphone, such as bikers, polar explorers, geologists, and people in various professions. Instead of a phone, they can see information directly on their clothing and interact with it through touch. Introducing MouthPad, a mouthpiece that completely controls devices using your tongue. This tiny device is designed to assist people with hand impairments. It analyzes tongue movements using machine learning algorithms and converts the data into cursor commands sent to electronic devices via Bluetooth. Essentially, it replaces both a remote control and a mouse, allowing users to send emails, turn on lights, edit photos, and even play tongue-based video games. The developer claims that the mouthpiece, thanks to its slim design, hardly affects speech. Furthermore, each mouthpad is created using a 3D model of the mouth, based on which an individual device is developed and printed using health-safe materials. The new era of electric cars has already begun. Thanks to this battery, your car can travel over 880 miles on a single charge. Next Energy is working on new types of batteries based on a chemical composition of lithium iron phosphate. This unique combination significantly boosts the battery's power. The ONE batteries have already been tested in a Tesla. An experimental battery-equipped Tesla Model S underwent road tests in Michigan, covering 882 miles at a speed of 55 miles per hour. According to the developers, there is a lot of iron and manganese in the Earth's crust, making it easier and safer to extract this raw material, compared to what is used in current batteries. This could also mean more stable prices in the future. Currently, Next Energy is working to optimize these batteries and finally release them for sale. In Northwest Colombia, a company operating a gold mine has implemented a new transportation system. Instead of trucks, which can be quite challenging to use in such conditions, the company has turned to a cable car system. The continuous movement of suspended cable cars allows for the quick delivery of gold mining residues from the valley floor to the mine's entrance, which is located at an altitude of 1,700 meters above sea level. This method is not only faster than traditional approaches, but also more environmentally friendly, as it can reduce greenhouse gas emissions during cargo transport to zero. Sony has released new wireless headphones for gamers. This model can be individually adjusted to fit the user's ears. They support spatial sound, and a personalized audio profile can be created through an app based on ear photos. During setup, the headphones also emit test sounds to determine and accommodate the user's ear canal characteristics. To suppress noise and provide a deep gaming experience, they utilize a built-in microphone and deep neural network algorithm. Without additional charging, they can continuously operate for up to 12 months, and a 5-minute charge provides an hour of working time. These headphones are compatible with various devices. In addition to smartphones and computers, they can be connected to portable gaming consoles, PlayStation 5, and other devices. Now, let's take a little break and see how you can store a helicopter inside a $49 million superyacht. For this, there's a special compartment with a retractable system. It helps save space on the deck. The Morgan Super 3 is a retro-styled three-wheeled car that looks like the cockpit of a Spitfire. The car looks stylish and grabs attention with its unique design. At the front, it has a non-turbocharged 1.5-liter three-cylinder Ford engine with 118 horsepower. It provides excellent performance. Morgan claims that the three-wheeler can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in just 7 seconds and reach a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Moreover, it promises fuel efficiency, achieving 33 miles per gallon thanks to specially designed tubeless tires. These tires offer excellent grip on the road, making the new model more maneuverable and safe. Boston Dynamics has taught its robot dog to talk. To teach its robot to talk, Boston Dynamics used the well-known ChatGPT from OpenAI, along with some other big open-source language models. They also gave the robot the ability to open its mouth to make it look like it's talking for real.
Hey Spot, how do you like your job?
Mr. Matt, my employment as a tour guide provides great satisfaction.
Now, the robot dog is used as a tour guide, and it has even learned to read haikus.
Hey Spot, what do you think of your job?
To guide and share in verse and tale is a task I relish without fail. In steel and wire my heart doth beat, in this role I find delight complete.
And of course, there were some surprises. During one of the tours when asked, "Who are your parents?" the robot headed to the office where the older Spot models are displayed.
This is where we showcase our fastest four-legged robot, which can run up to 19 miles per hour. I hope you're not too slow to keep up with it.
That's true, that's the right exhibit.
Have you ever seen a robot run as fast as our Wildcat robot before?
I have not.
Hyperloop showcases a unique vacuum cargo train project. The express freight system consists of a fully automated vacuum pipeline, levitating capsule wagons, a conveyor belt, and electric doors for simultaneous loading and unloading. The speed at which this system operates is astonishing. Thanks to the vacuum tubes, the cargo wagons accelerate to speeds of up to 1,220 kilometers per hour. The new train will provide fast cargo loading due to doors arranged in a checkerboard pattern for simultaneous loading and unloading. The system will be integrated into the existing infrastructure, allowing for quick upgrades. The cargo volume inside the capsule is maximized through innovative solutions such as lowering the floor, adding a pocket door between the structure's ribs, and using the Hyperloop loading device. According to Hyperloop TT, the system promises to surpass the speed and cost-effectiveness of cargo delivery by road transport and even airplanes. The best way to build roads on the moon is with lasers. Yes, that's what a group of American and European researchers believe, as they found that lasers work great as lunar road builders for future colonists. The proposed laser consists of mirrors and lens-like devices that concentrate sunlight, allowing them to melt the lunar dust and turn it into a glassy substance. After that, the molten material will be shaped into a specific form optimal for road surfaces. Researchers have successfully tested this technology on soil with a composition similar to lunar soil, using a 12-kilowatt carbon dioxide laser. It's expected that these road lasers will be delivered to the moon by mission participants. Get ready because you're about to witness the embodiment of crazy motorcycle concepts. An incredible motorcycle resembling something out of a sci-fi movie is astonishing not only in its appearance, but also in its technological solutions. For instance, it has absolutely no hubs. The absence of hubs doesn't affect the strength of the massive wheels, as they're made from a durable alloy, the details of which are not disclosed. The motorcycle is built around a high-power electric motor, and its speed is definitely not less than 225 kilometers per hour. Developers are keeping the details under wraps, but fans are already eager to add this brand new motorcycle to their collection. In Britain, a robot has been created for inspecting and repairing offshore wind turbines. A team of enthusiasts have already tested their creation. It has 6 limbs that help it climb the blades and carry a set of tools. The device looks like a beetle, and a significant portion of its parts were 3D printed. The advantage of such a robot is that it allows for hazardous tasks to be carried out without a team having to ascend to great heights using ropes. The robot's body is waterproof. Considering the harsh weather conditions and strong winds often present at sea, this assistant can significantly reduce risks for technicians and expedite the process of diagnosing and repairing wind turbines. American company Chopper City, specializing in custom motorcycles, has delighted fans of The Dark Knight. They introduced a replica of the Bat-Pod from the Batman movies. Unlike what we saw in the film, this motorcycle is quite bulky, heavy, and challenging to handle. Sharp turns in particular pose a significant challenge. Making the incredible stunts from the movies on this recreated motorcycle is simply impossible. Unlike the Bat-Pod from the movies, the PS-Pod is made of metal, not carbon or fiberglass. The developers put a lot of effort into recreating the motorcycle's exterior, adding mock weaponry and even grappling hooks to its body. Now let's get back to wind energy. Meg and Mars is an innovative wind generator that takes advantage of high-altitude winds. Each module is essentially a helium-filled airship attached to rotating generators. Fans attached to the airship's body capture the wind and create rotation, allowing for energy generation. What's particularly interesting is that even at low wind speeds, as low as 3 feet per second, the system starts working. The generators are designed to harness stable winds hundreds of feet above the ground. This method is more efficient and cost-effective than traditional wind turbines. For instance, regular wind stations lose some efficiency due to gusty winds and frequent changes in direction at lower altitudes. Developers of these innovative systems believe they can be used at homes to provide a good amount of green and affordable electricity. German car manufacturer Porsche and Austrian boat and electric watercraft manufacturer Frauscher have unveiled the Frauscher X Porsche 850 Phantom airboat, which boasts unique features. This electric boat is equipped with an original sporty steering wheel from Porsche and a powerful 100 kilowatt-hour battery. It can reach speeds of up to 53 miles per hour and offers multiple driving modes similar to Porsche cars. Thanks to a synchronous permanent magnet electric motor with 536 horsepower, the manufacturers promise better acceleration than boats with gasoline engines. The batteries can charge very quickly. It takes just 30 minutes to charge from 0 to 80%. The boat can accommodate up to 9 passengers, and there is enough space inside for sunbathing and comfortable relaxation. Pre-orders for the electric boat are already open, and the first owners will receive them next year. What you have here is not just an SUV. The Protos RMX2 is a special car. It uses a carbon fiber monocoque in its construction, with suspension components and steering made from a high-strength titanium alloy, and external panels made from composite materials. Additionally, the car can be reinforced with carbon or Kevlar, and the glass can be replaced with bulletproof glass. This way, the SUV can be transformed into a true fortress on wheels. The car features a retractable track system with hydraulic drive, allowing it to conquer any terrain. The SUV has a 2-door body and a 4-passenger cabin. There's also a 6-passenger cabin configuration available. Among the options are a hydro-pneumatic suspension with laser height control, a winch, and a gold trim. Inside the cabin, there's a built-in electronic hookah. Designers took inspiration from the Hummer H1 when creating the car's interior, making it as comfortable as possible for passengers. Falcon Autotech has introduced an innovative internal logistics automation system called Neo. It's designed for businesses involved in product delivery to significantly speed up the logistics process. The system itself resembles a city with multi-level buildings representing racks with cases containing stored items. Retrieving or relocating any case is done by a special robot that moves in any direction, elevating and lowering like an elevator. Once it obtains the needed box, it delivers the cargo to an employee's workstation, where items are prepared for shipment. This technology is scalable, meaning as your business grows, you can install new system modules, increasing the number of robots and workstations. To optimize the system's performance, developers integrated artificial intelligence. Thanks to this system, robots will be able to handle labor-intensive work in large warehouses and terminals. A mini translator has been introduced to suit the needs of avid travelers. It looks like a small smartphone with a 4-inch screen. With this device, you can translate spoken language and text in real time into 40 languages. Its 8-megapixel camera also allows you to take a picture and instantly get the translated text. There are several control buttons on the body to start translation from a selected language to your native one and vice versa. Unlike regular translators on phones, this device has a more advanced system that can recognize 93 accents. The translator can work actively for 3.5 hours on a single battery charge and requires an internet connection to operate. This device significantly simplifies communication with foreigners anywhere in the world. The innovative 3-level semi-automatic parking system CombiLift from the German company Vor aims to solve the problem of parking space shortages in megacities. Unlike other similar devices, the platforms of this lift can move not only vertically but also horizontally. The system is also equipped with integrated sliding gates, which not only save valuable space but also serve as an additional safety feature when moving a vehicle. The platforms can lift vehicles weighing up to 3,000 kilograms, and the compartment height varies from 150 to 220 centimeters. Each bay is up to 300 centimeters wide and is equipped with an electric vehicle charging station. Choosing an available parking space is done with a magnetic card or key, and platform control is performed through a special mobile app. Such a closed, multifunctional parking system is perfect for large residential or office buildings. Airless tires, originally developed by NASA for Mars rovers, are now available for bicycle enthusiasts. They are made from nitinol, a nickel-titanium alloy. This material has shape memory and high strength, and it's the first consumer product to use this material. Compared to regular inflatable bicycle tires, these will never go flat, wear out, and are promised to last a lifetime. Despite their metal construction, they provide excellent grip thanks to the built-in tread. The tread is designed for up to 8,000 miles of riding and can be easily restored. These tires offer a smooth and easy ride, excellent handling, and durability. At the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, they've introduced tiny drones that can fly like insects. These microbots have 2 pairs of wings moved by artificial muscles. They are much more efficient and require less electrical power than soft actuators used before. This new technology allows for the creation of soft rotors for robots with fewer defects, significantly extending their lifespan and increasing their payload capacity. The drone weighs less than a quarter of a penny. During tests, the robot was able to stay airborne for about 20 seconds, achieving the best result among similar devices. In the future, these micro-drones could perform various useful tasks like pollinating crops or searching for survivors under building rubble. The British company Varialift Airship has developed a robust and dependable cargo airship that outperforms modern airplanes in many ways. The airship will be equipped with a pair of solar-powered engines and 2 regular jet engines. The largest Varialift airship models will be able to transport up to 250 tons of cargo, which is nearly double what a modern Boeing 747 can lift. Furthermore, Varialift can transport cargo of any size, expanding the possibilities of industrial transportation. Preliminary estimates suggest that the operating costs for Varialift will be approximately 8% of the cost of operating airlines. This aircraft's vertical takeoff and landing capabilities provide access to hard-to-reach areas without proper infrastructure like airports. A Swedish automotive design studio has turned the Scania truck into a true sports monster. Chimera is an impressive exhibition truck developed by the owner of the studio, Sven-Erik Svempa Bergendahl. Perhaps because the super truck is equipped with a supercharged Scania V8 engine with 1,460 horsepower. Thanks to this powerful heart, the truck accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. But that's not all, as it can be further boosted to a whopping 2,190 horsepower. They've put a lot of effort into its appearance as well. The exhaust system is made of stainless steel and features 6 whole-set turbochargers. The body is designed using an advanced cabin that combines the advantages of different series, resulting in a true titan. Meet a robot that can be both a buggy and a power exoskeleton at the same time. The idea is that when a user carrying a load moves on smooth, flat surfaces, such as in workshops or warehouses, they simply step onto the platform, hold onto its 2 control levers, and move forward on 4 motorized wheels, which is the buggy mode. However, if you need to climb stairs or step over an obstacle, you just need to press a single button to switch to exoskeleton mode, which mimics leg movements to support you. As an added bonus, Coma 1.5 is capable of autonomously detecting and avoiding obstacles, using its built-in camera and AI-based computer vision system. This simple invention will enhance safety on the pavement. Whole Hat provides increased visual warning of hazards and offers protection against falling into engineering pits. The retractable protective lid is covered in bright yellow nylon fabric made of reflective material, ensuring visibility in both daytime and nighttime. Furthermore, Whole Hat is lightweight, portable, and easy to use. The aluminum construction gives the device high durability, and the 3-position retractable lid provides access for maintenance, cleaning, and inspection. Developed and manufactured in France, iFollow's bots can transport various storage units such as pallets, carts, and safety cages with a claimed load capacity of up to 1,500 kilograms. iFollow can also carry 2 safety cages simultaneously in refrigerated chambers and warehouses, making them suitable for increasing productivity in food logistics. The devices are designed to operate at temperatures ranging from -13 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit without reducing battery life, and their robot design can withstand movement on uneven floors. Furthermore, these robots are lower in height compared to similar ones, allowing for space saving during cage transport. Multiple MotoGP champion Valentino Rossi is ready to show us his unique mobile home. At first glance, the vehicle appears to be a large truck, but on closer inspection, it can be assembled like a puzzle to take the form of a house. Externally, VR46 is elegantly designed in black with yellow accents, while the interior features gray and blue colors. But of course, we're curious about what's inside. This mobile apartment has dimensions of 187 by 26 feet. Inside, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a kitchen. Additionally, there's a lounge and a television room. To support racing activities, the mobile home is also equipped with conference rooms. As a bonus, the vehicle is designed with sound insulation, so that visitors won't be disturbed by noise from outside. Of course, owning this car costs a lot of money. The price of the mobile home, not including the truck, reaches $350,000. The world's first flying car is finally going into production. Dutch company PAL-V has been developing the Liberty for 15 years. They tested the first flying car prototype back in 2009 and presented a pre-production model 3 years later. This flying vehicle has 2 engines, a foldable rotor and propeller blade set, and a top speed of 170 km per hour on land and 180 km per hour in the air. The project is finally reaching the finish line, and in November, the first PAL-V showroom will open in Munich. In 2024, they plan to release 90 of these vehicles, priced at 499,000 euros. Later, a more affordable version of the Liberty will be available for 299,000 euros, and buyers will be invited to flight training courses, where they can receive pilot training and a license for free. Movable Pro is a unique chair that provides unparalleled comfort during work. In Movable Pro, the creators have combined the ergonomics of a traditional office chair, a comfortable standing position, and freedom of movement all in one. Users can sit, stand, or lean while working. But the main feature of Movable Pro is its ability to mimic the flamingo position, one leg up, the other down. The chair is designed to work with any desk, and it has 7 positions: an adjustable height footrest, adjustable height and lumbar support, and a mat for your comfort. Its upholstery is interchangeable, making it easy to maintain and allowing you to choose your individual style. Now, your comfort will be on a whole new level. The Ukrainian ground combat drone UGV Ironclad is heading to the front lines. UGV Ironclad is not just an ordinary drone, but a real ground combat vehicle designed for operations in challenging terrains and direct confrontation with adversaries. This combat drone is equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun and can be operated remotely. It can reach speeds of up to 20 km per hour, travel a distance of 130 km, and carry up to 350 kilograms of cargo. It can provide reconnaissance, territory protection, and ensure the reliable transport of essential equipment, ammunition, medical supplies, or wounded personnel. Furthermore, UGV Ironclad can change the game in urban combat situations. Its compact design allows it to maneuver through narrow streets and tight spaces, making it an ideal tool for operating in densely populated areas. American engineers have created a robot gripper using 3D printing, based on designs from 1913. Engineers reworked the original metal clamp design, replacing the heavy semicircular elements with plastic frames made through 3D printing, connected by flexible components. Essentially, the mechanism consists of a series of progressively smaller trapezoids linked together. This simple design turned out to be very reliable and cost-effective in production. The gripper can already hold items like fruits or other food products. You can even 3D print this device yourself if you gain access to the manufacturer's blueprints on their website. What are your thoughts on these inventions? If you like them, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This is just a small part of what we're ready to show you in the near future. So stay with us and stay up to date with the latest technological advancements.